Okay, I'm going to tell you between the Stihl Dynamic Sounds earmuffs and the Isotunes Link earmuffs, which one to go for. One of them I've been using for years, one I've been using for months, and I tell you what, I'm not going to change back. Okay, a couple of years ago I did a review of the Isotunes 2 headphones, and I loved these. When they first came out I wore them and I did have to get a replacement pair, but it's been a few years now and I found that the plastic around here has gone really hard. So I decided to try and get some new replacement bits around the outside. Couldn't. They were sold out. I wear them a lot. I wear earmuffs probably 3-4 hours a day, and I was getting really sore around my ears. There's just no give at all. It's gone really, not brittle, but just really stiff and horrible. So I moaned, and my wife for my birthday bought me a different pair. So she bought me some Stihl ones, and how much better these are is unreal. So when I first got them, I kind of looked and I was like, oh, they can't be a very new design because of the charging port isn't a USB-C, so it's not within the new regs. So obviously it's a design from before the EU changed it. And I tried them, and they're just so much more comfortable. They're nearly 100 grams lighter than the Isotunes, which is a big thing when it's on top of your head as well. They are comfortable on top, so this has got like a nice bit of pad in there. I've not had any kind of itching or soreness, whereas these ones, I mean, you only have to just look. Like, that's it. That goes on top of your head. It's just not very nice. The bit around the ears is softer than the other ones when they're new anyway, so it's really soft. And the battery life is unreal, right? So the battery, I've had these since March. I have charged them not many times. Like, they literally last a week. I'll be looking on my phone at how long, or longer than a week. I'll be looking on my phone how long they've got left, and I'll wear them 2 days and it still tells you it's like 80% charged. Absolutely brilliant. Dead easy to log onto my link into my phone. I literally just turn these on, search for it on my mobile and LinkedIn, and now it links up automatically every time. Sound quality seems brilliant. You get people moaning that these things are never loud enough. Well, they're probably the right level of loudness to stop you damaging your ears. You kind of turn them up on here and turn them up on your phone. If I'm using a loud machine like the router table, I will have them a bit louder for a short period of time. The range is pretty good as well. I find the range, you know, you can go a reasonable distance with these on and they're not cut out. Okay, so come out to the field. We will link these up, so we'll just turn it on now. That's it, linked in, makes that little beep. I will put them up, we'll put a book on. Put my book on that I'm reading at the moment. And what I'm going to do, put it on this post here. And I'm going to walk and count my paces. It's going to be very imprecise. So, run out of field. I mean, it does start to break up at the far point over there, but before that, absolutely fine. Obviously, around buildings and machinery and stuff like that, you're going to get a much shorter range. I'm guessing it's kind of line of sight a little bit. Well, not line of sight, but you know what I mean, close enough. And yeah, so I just can't believe how good the range is on these things. I would say, money-wise, these are so much better than the Isotunes. It's the problem with probably with doing a review before you've tried them all. I was just really impressed to have anything that linked to my phone I could listen to books on. I suppose I've got a bit blasé with that over the last kind of 5 or 6 years. I started with the in-ear ones, progressed to these, had 2 pairs of these ones from Isotunes, onto the Stihl ones. Stihl ones are just head and shoulders above the other ones. More comfortable, way longer battery life. super easy to use, tells me how much is left, and is pretty accurate really on the battery, and just lovely to wear. So I've been wearing these every day for the last 3 or 4 months and just love them. It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, still you've knocked it out the park with these, really. Way better. These ones, these are only going to be used in an emergency from now on, so if something goes wrong with these, I will go back to these, but not by choice am I leaving these guys again. So yeah, much comfier on my ears and the top of my head. So I should say as well that both of these have been bought by me or my wife. My wife bought me these ones for my birthday, and these ones have been bought with my own money in the past. So no, this is not a sponsored post, this is a genuine review, and hoping it helps people that use earmuffs all the time like I do.